Hello friends, welcome to Yaara. So today we are going to see how you can create a task in Yaara. Remember, Yaara comes up is iPhone app, Android app, as well as the web version. So we are going to check it out in the web version. So let's just see how it works. So once you log in Yaara, you will see the dashboard. You have a setup wizard. In the setup wizard, you have a new task at the top. Also from the plus drop down, you have a new task from the left menu. Task is there, so if you click on it, there you will see all your my tasks. So let's just click on the plus add new task button at the top. This will show you the task panel, so you can add a new task. So let's just create a new task, which is AI mobile app development task. We can always assign this task to someone in the team. It can be private or public or to-do task, so to-do will stay with you. You can also create select a project for which this task has been created. The team member, when you click on plus icon, all the team member that is there in this project will come up, and you just need to select the members that needs to be assigned for this task. And you can define a start date as well as the target date. So date and time, usually the tasks are single day tasks, so the time is important. If it is multiple day tasks, then also you can create a multiple day task. You can set the task as a repeat task or daily repeat, weekly repeat. You can always define those parameters. You can also click on tick box for the remind me, so it sends you a reminder if the task is not completed on time, or it can send you the reminder regularly. So you can also add the description for this particular task. And most importantly, you can have the priority, right? So you have high, medium, low, priority, critical. So depending on the type, you want to set the priority. It also has the attachment option. So we have the Google Drive integration. You can always connect with Google Drive and write the file from there. You can also create a tag so that it's easy to search this particular task. Whenever the task needs to be assigned to someone, these tags are important. You can also assign this task to a particular milestone. So a number of times the project has multiple milestones, and if the milestone has 10 tasks and all those 10 tasks is completed, the milestone is automatically completed in the system. So milestone is very important. You can always have a new milestone that you can define from here, or from the drop down you can select the existing milestone. So we can also have the timeline for this milestone, because we are adding a new milestone rather than selecting the existing one. Even in milestone, you can always select the files that you want to include. So now we have selected the milestone. So I think everything is added now. Let's just go and click on done button. So we have added a task successfully. It is there in your recently assigned task. So if it is your task, then it will come on my task. So let's just check it out how the task detail page looks like. You can always add the subtask from here. So that's for another day. Let's just stop at the task, add task. So this is how you create a task easily and assign tasks to your team member and track the task is completed on time or not. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.